All right. Now let's see how it is. Yeah, it is good. We have home here. But we can also we have that one that is like what where we go first when we visit the web page, and we go first to index, right? But still in here we can also do some styling a bit, and the style that I'm using, it is neither tailwind nor external CSS. I am going to use the internal JavaScript or internal CSS. So we can say style. We give it a internal style like that, and I can say now you can give it. Let's start with the display property and give it. Let's give it a flex, and then after that you can also give it justify or align items. Let's give it a center, and then you now Control S, and you come here. You can see the home is very. It has now come from here. It is standard very good right here. Now we can continue. You can also say justify content. Justify content. We can justify them to center also. Let's justify this content to center. Center like that. And then